Like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
Golfers at U.S. Open may hear strange noises coming from Playboy Mansion. Golfers may hear strange noises during the upcoming U.S. Open. The legendary event will be held in Los Angeles, California, from Thursday 15 June to Sunday 18 June. The 123rd edition will be hosted in the magnificent Los Angeles Country Club. And funnily enough, the venue is right next to the world-famous Playboy Mansion. According to the Australian Golf Digest, that's not the only interesting part that makes this year's US Open stand out. Because there's still a zoo made up of monkeys, cockatoos, peacocks, and an assortment of other natural noisemakers. Shortly before his death in 2017, Hefner sold the mansion to Darren Metropoulos at the age of 91. Metropoulos has since used the former castle for corporate activities. The new owner bought the property for $100 million and vowed to keep the zoo. Metropoulos appears to have made good on its promise, as golfers claim they can still hear squeaks, roars and moans coming from the property. The first two games are scheduled to start at 12 p.m. UK time on all days, and 3 p.m. on weekends. News Group Newspapers Limited in England, number 679,215 registered office, 1 London Bridge Street, London SE19GF. The Sun Online are registered trademarks or trade names of News Group Newspapers Limited.